Posible po ba tayong mag-commit as a department na kahit naman po for Marikina ay magkaroon na po tayo ng permanent solution po sa baha? Kasi alam naman po natin na ang approach is saluhin po natin ang tubig doon sa taas. Baka naman pwedeng masolusyonan na po ng permanently. Kaya ba natin to, say by 2030, magkaroon tayo ng permanent solution para naman po sa Marikina? Kawawa naman po kami dahil pag sinasabi pong Marikina equals baha. Unfortunately, ganun po ang nagiging perception po sa amin. Kaya ba natin mag-commit?
In accordance with the implementation of the structural component of Pasig Marikina, the timetable that we are talking about is that we should be able to complete by 2031. There are 4 components that we are lining up. Continuation of Phase 4 of the channel improvement that will be under JICA financing program. And this will be the ones that will control the flood waters that will go to Marikina. With these 3 projects, Your Honor, it will substantially mitigate the flood waters that will have to go to Marikina, Your Honor.
I think fair naman po na umupo kayo para magkaroon ng isang protocol agreement para maayos din naman po ang magiging sistema.
We will be sitting down in a very short time to finalize po yung operational protocol that will integrate actually the flood water storage during the rainy season po.
Maraming salamat po.